The AquaClass cabins, category AC, are on deck 11, close to the AquaSpa on deck 12 and the Relaxation Lounge on deck 11 of the Celebrity Silhouette. These cabins are double occupancy only and measure 194 square feet, with a 54 square foot veranda. They are the same size and configuration as the Concierge Class, Sunset Veranda, the Deluxe Ocean View Cabin with Veranda. These amenities include floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors, sitting area with sofa, 32 LCD television, vanity, and veranda with lounge seating. In addition to the Concierge Class amenities, AquaClass guests receive 1. Priority seating in blue, a specialty restaurant created just for AquaClass guests that also serves complimentary healthy continental breakfast daily. 2. Hansgrohe shower panels. 3. Aroma scent selections. 4. Pillow menu. 5. Complimentary premium bathroom amenities. 6. Daily deliveries of bottled water and teas. 7. Personal spa concierge to arrange AquaSpa treatments. 8. Plush AquaClass Fredde bathrobes and slippers. 9. Free, unlimited access to the Persian garden and relaxation room. 10. Special programming and wellness classes.